Generative AI is one of the most exciting developments in technology today. It can create text, images, and even music, opening up a world of creative possibilities. But what exactly can generative AI do, and how might you use it in your own life? In this video, we'll explore the basics of generative AI and show you some examples you can try for yourself. One of the main things generative AI can do is create text. From writing stories and poems to helping you brainstorm ideas, text-based generative AI can be like a personal assistant for creative projects. Tools like ChatGPT, for instance, can answer questions, draft emails, and even help with homework. If you need help writing a product description or a blog post, AI can help get your ideas flowing and provide a starting point. Generative AI can also create visual art. Tools like DALL-E and Midjourney can generate unique images based on just a few words you input. Want to create a futuristic cityscape or an impressionist-style portrait? You can simply describe it, and the AI will create something based on your description. It's a fun and easy way to bring your ideas to life without needing traditional art skills. Music creation is another exciting area. AI tools like Amper Music or Ava can generate custom music based on the style or mood you're looking for. If you're creating a video and need background music, these tools can help produce a track tailored to your preferences. Think of it as having a virtual composer to create original music for any project. Generative AI isn't just for fun, it has practical uses too. Businesses use text generation tools for marketing content, designers use AI-generated art for inspiration, and content creators use AI music to enhance their videos. Even in education, generative AI can help create study materials or interactive content. Whether for work, hobbies, or learning, generative AI offers unique solutions anyone can experiment with. Generative AI isn't just a tool. It's a creative partner that makes new ideas possible for everyone, no matter their skills. From writing and art to music, it's reshaping how we create and interact with content. If this video inspired you to try generative AI, be sure to hit like and follow for more explorations of tech and AI topics.